Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to take a closer look at Nvidia and AMD. Unfortunately, it does seem like the United States government is banning some exports to certain countries, and it is affecting the semiconductor industry right now. We can see as I am recording, AMD is down roughly 2%, and if we take a closer look at Nvidia, is down roughly 4.2%, sitting at pre-market prices of $144. So let's take a closer look at what's happening right now.
I do want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video, and make sure to check out fool.com/Jose to get the top 10 stocks to buy right now.
So if you go to Nvidia's website, yesterday they submitted an 8K report which kind of breaks down everything that's happening. So on August 26 of 2022, the United States government informed Nvidia that they have imposed new licensing requirements effective immediately for any future exports to China, including Hong Kong and Russia, of the company's A100 and the forthcoming H100 system. And that includes any systems within there. So if they're using the DGX, the AGX, and any kind of these superpods that include the A100 or the H100, those products are also included in this kind of license needed. Nvidia did mention that this new license requirement may impact the company's ability to complete its development of the H100 in a timely manner or support existing customers of A100, and may require the company to transition certain operations out of China. So we can see why it's definitely impacting Nvidia right now and why the stock price is down roughly 4%. I do want to say they posted another SEC filing a few hours ago, and we're going to take a closer look at that. But first, let's understand what's happening. Just to understand how much money is coming out of China, Nvidia actually let us know. The company's outlook for its third fiscal quarter provided on August 24th included approximately $400 million in potential sales to China. So we can see Nvidia believes roughly $400 million this quarter was coming from China. In all honesty, I thought this was going to be a lot bigger, but again, remember, we're only dealing with the huge kind of data center products at the moment. So maybe if it was gaming and other stuff, we might have seen a different number. And if you are enjoying this episode, make sure to hit the thumbs up, as it does help me grow my overall audience. If you want to support a little bit more, make sure to subscribe using my link at fool.com/Jose. So let's take a closer look at what's happening now. A few hours ago, Nvidia recently posted a new SEC filing that the US government has authorized exports, re-exports, and in-country transfers needed to continue Nvidia's operation of H100 integrated circuits after the company filed its current on-form 8K report. So it doesn't seem like the H100 is going to be delayed at any point. But they really don't talk much about what's happening in China. The only thing, it mentions that the authorization allows the company to perform exports needed to provide support for US customers of A100 through March 1st of 2023. And it also mentions that additionally, the US government authorized A100 and H100 order fulfillments and logistics through the company's Hong Kong facility through September 1st of 2023. So I want to say, in this final or most recent SEC filing, it seems like they're trying to calm things down, but I do believe there's still some missing portions. So it seems like they're still going to be able to serve US customers in international countries, if that's what I'm reading correctly, and that's why they're still able to do order fulfillments and logistics through companies in Hong Kong. But I wonder if it's a true Chinese company, for example, or a Chinese customer, they might have to still reject it. And that's what I'm getting from this. Let me know if you guys are getting something else. This is a kind of evolving news article right now, but this is all we know right now. AMD at the moment has not shared any SEC filings, but that might be a good thing. An AMD representative confirmed to CNBC that it also has received the new licensing requirements from the US Department, and that only applies to AMD's MI250 circuit, which is intended for artificial intelligence. And AMD said that it did not believe the new requirements would cause a material impact to its business. So it does seem to be hurting Nvidia a little bit more than AMD.